Savvy Ash Zalangani Ashley, and this is my channel. So today I wanted to do something a bit different. I'm going to do a makeup look. I'm going to do a soft glam makeup look. Some of you guys can say it's a no makeup look, and I'm only going to use 6 products. All of the products I'm going to be using, I'm going to put them down in my description box. And yeah, that's it, guys. Let's start.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So the first product you're going to need is a foundation. Now this foundation is from Signature. Let me tell you, dark skin girls problems. This was to be my concealer shade, and it's my shade. And this was supposed to be a contour, and it's my real shade. So it's so weird, but it's okay. I mixed them together to make one color that is like my perfect color. But if you guys do have a foundation that is your perfect match, do use it, because there's some of y'all that are blessed to find the foundation that is your color. I will use this. Oh, and because this is a 6 product makeup look, I don't have a primer. I haven't bought primer before, but if you do have primer, use it. I don't have it, so I won't. And blend it. I think there we have it. This is the foundation, and that is product number 1 done. So in this video, I'm not using any concealer. Yep, no concealer. I'm actually just gonna bake. I usually bake with these. This is usually for under boob sweat, and this I bake with it because it's more thicker than this one. This one you find it from PEP in your pharmacy. So this is it's a baking powder basically, and then I pour it into something like a cup or a container. I pour it in here, take this, and I bake. Don't wear a black shirt when you're doing this. Worst mistake. So Kylie Jenner says she leaves this bottom bake for longer, and I tried it. It works like magic. It looks like I contoured even if I didn't. So I'll leave that for longer than the rest of the bake. I know some of you guys are thinking, why don't I use banana powder? I don't like the yellow color that it gives me, and I didn't have money to buy it, so let's blend out our bake. I blend it with my sponge. You can brush it out. I blend it in. Okay, and then I use brown liner. So I like it when it's a bit blunt, especially for here. I suck at brows, guys. I'll use this for both my lips and for my brows. So what I do is I do soap brows. You guys can do this step first or last. So you just, right? Me blend that in. Then that's about it. I do use my hands or that brow shaping thing, but my brows are non-existent, so I'm not into like, you know, very wild brows. I'm not into that. Now this is the secret to a simple makeup look. An eyeshadow palette that has gold, that has a plum color that you can use as blush, and a brown. If you want to look nude, you want to look like you don't have makeup, you need this. I got it from Signature Cosmetics. It is highly pigmented. It is the best. Then I will use my blending brush from Essence. I got it for 35 bucks. Then I'll go with this color. I think I want to mix these two because I don't want to look like I have makeup on. So I'll start with the lighter shade. Yes, guys, I forgot to dust it off. Let's continue. This is good. Then looks like I have no eyeshadow on. That is the point. To look like I'm not trying. Then going with the brown. Dark brown I find is the best lid color for nudes or like no makeup look. It gives your eye like a look awake. Then there you have it, that's your shadow. And then to glow, do get this palette, guys. I'm gonna link it down in the description box below so you guys could know. I'm sure you guys are like, hey, what is she doing? It's too much. It's not. I'll blend it out, it'll look good. And that's why I usually blend if I'm not trying to go for like a serious look. You can do a little bit here. Guys, I suck at brows. I suck at them. But you'll see this look is going to be so nice at the end. Woo! Wrong thing. A new sponge, sorry. I used the wrong sponge. See? Blending it in. With the sponge. I think I need a little bit more here. How do I look? Same thing. This color is a blush color. That's if you want to. You guys could leave your face like this and then just continue with the rest of the products. But I want a little bit of a blush. I like having a bit of color on my face. Just a little bit. I look like a clown. Then I will blend it with the back of my sponge. And then liner. So I use dark brown. That you could use for even under your eyes. I don't usually use it for under my eyes. You could do that, it looks simple, but then usually, right now in this moment, I want to use it for my lips. Okay. Then, from Clicks Gloss, it's got a pink pigment in it. I love it. The more the gloss, the more the fab. I love this. Now we finish up this blending it out. It's the last one. For me, I feel like it makes me look like I'm contoured even if I didn't. Then you can blend out everything else that you feel like you did too much on with the excess powder. Like you can go back to highlighted parts and use that powder to remove. So yeah guys, that is 6 products. So let's go with the rundown. Not done. I'm going to do my 6th one. I'm going to use my 6th product very soon. But I just want us to have a rundown of what I used. Firstly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is for the final one. Guys, I don't know why today I'm doing a Nigerian accent. I'm just excited. Setting spray from Signature. I will set my face with this. Woo! So my face dried for a bit. This is how it looks. I'll give you guys a close-up. It's really a simple look that people could use to go to work, to school, and anything else that's not too much. I want to show you guys how it looks with my wig on. Guys, I can't. This look is too puffy. Okay. Now I'm sure you guys are wondering, what about mascara and all of that? You could use mascara, but I want to show you guys this look with false lashes. So I don't know if I should do them on camera or off camera. When all else fails, stop doing it the way they told us to do it. I don't know. In real life they look horrible, but I'm sure in the video they look good. Right guys? How does it look? Okay, from far, it's good. Okay guys, let me just tell you, if you're good at doing your whatever, bruh. I think they're not bad. Okay, if you're good at doing your brows and you're sticking your lashes on very well, this look is gonna be perfect. I tried, but this is my 6th product, no makeup look. I will link down all the products that I used in the description box. And yeah, that's my look. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe to my channel, comment on what other makeup look you'd like for me guys to do. But bear in mind, hope my eyelashes are not falling out while I'm talking. Bear in mind, I'm a new hey, you know what, this hair, it wants to tempt my lashes. Bear in mind that I'm new when it comes to makeup, so I do my makeup from a beginner, or I don't do my makeup from the point of view of a makeup artist who's seasoned and who's good at it. So when you do request makeup videos from me, please do keep that in mind. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay safe. Bye.